Time for a fish. Like I said, it's about time. Look at that.
Well, I love her, but I love to fish. I spend all day out on this lake, and hell is all I catch. But today she met me at the door,
Fishing
said
in Alaska.
I would have to choose. And if I hit that fishing hole today, she'd be packing all her things and she'd be gone by noon. Well, I'm gonna miss her when I get home. Right now I'm on this lake shore, and I'm sitting in the sun. I'm sure it'll hit me when I walk through that door tonight. Yeah, I'm gonna miss her.
All right.
Oh, looky there, I've got a bite. All right.
They have water on my camera lens. No.
Oh, great.
That was Chief Master Sergeant Gordy netting my fish. That doesn't happen very often. That's a guy with information.
There's a chance
He's been here before us.
that if I hurry, I could beg her to stay. That water's right and the weather's perfect. No telling what I might catch today. So I'm gonna miss her when I get home. But right now I'm on this lake shore, and I'm sitting in the sun. I'm sure it'll hit me
So a guy who net
when I walk through that door tonight. Yeah, I'm gonna miss her. Oh, looky there, another bite. Yeah, I'm gonna miss her. Oh, looky there,
Yeah, it's a nice fish.
I've got a bite.
So the silver.
Yeah, I'm gonna miss her. Oh, looky there, another bite.
Right.
Yeah, I'm gonna miss her. Oh, looky there,
Oh, from coming from the ocean.
I've got a bite.
I don't know if you guys can see that, but my guide told me. Yeah.
It's pretty. You can do it. There you go.
Thanks, Corey.
Yep. Nice job. Man, you were just tearing that thing up.
It's almost